You know, when you're out here in a situation like this where water is a vital necessity, and you run across water like this, which might be the only thing that would be available for you to drink. And that's when having one of these emergency straws is literally a lifesaver. This straw has a filtering system in it that will allow you to drink from anything other than salt water or chemically impure water. So all I have to do is take this. You see the water? You spit out the first, because that's the filter working. Good to go. Emergency straw. You gotta have one.